My thoughts and prayers are with everybody affected by the devastating fires currently raging in Southern California. Having friends and family directly impacted, I've seen firsthand how challenging the road to recovery can be. In these difficult times, finding effective ways to document, plan, and rebuild is essential. Hi, my name is Tom Sparks, and I own Scan Your Space and Sparks Media Group, and we provide, amongst other things, 3D virtual tours for a variety of industries. Today, I want to talk about how Matterport 3D tours can be a critical tool in navigating the aftermath of a fire. Whether you're a homeowner, an insurance professional, or part of an emergency response team, Matterport offers a way to simplify and streamline the recovery process. And just as important, it's a tool that can help you prepare before disaster strikes. Let's start with what Matterport 3D tours are. Matterport creates a detailed, interactive 3D digital twin of properties. These aren't just simply photographs, they're immersive models that allow users to explore a space as if they were physically there. Now, imagine the value that this brings to fire recovery. There are three key groups who benefit from Matterport 3D tours: emergency professionals, insurance companies, and homeowners. Let's break it down. For emergency professionals, Matterport is a game changer. After a fire, safety is top priority, and entering unstable structures can be dangerous. A Matterport 3D tour allows responders to analyze the property remotely, identify hazards, and even plan recovery efforts without putting anyone at risk. It's also an invaluable training tool. Fire departments can use these digital twins to study how fires spread, assess structural risks, and improve response strategies. Next, let's talk about insurance companies. Filing a claim after a fire is one of the first steps in recovery, and accuracy is critical. Matterport provides precise, time-stamped documentation of the damage, complete with measurements. Adjusters can review properties remotely, reducing site visits and speeding up claims processing. Plus, the detailed scans help prevent disputes and even minimize fraud by offering a clear visual record of the damage. Finally, let's focus on homeowners. Losing a home in a fire is not just about rebuilding, it's about recovering emotionally and practically. Matterport helps homeowners in the aftermath of a fire by documenting damaged belongings for accurate insurance claims, by providing a clear and detailed way to communicate with adjusters, contractors, and family members, and by offering a starting point for restoration and rebuilding plans with precise measurements and visuals. But the benefits of Matterport go beyond fire recovery. It's a powerful tool for preparedness. Scanning your home before a disaster strikes creates a detailed digital record of your property that offers proof for insurance claims. A pre-loss scan serves as an undisputable record of your home's condition, layout, and belongings. This makes it easier to process claims quickly and accurately. By preserving memories. Your home is more than just walls and furniture. It's where memories are made. A Matterport scan captures your space exactly as it is, creating a virtual time capsule of your home. Even if the physical property is lost, you'll always have the ability to revisit those spaces. Protecting historic or architectural value. If your property has a unique architectural feature or historical significance, a pre-loss scan ensures these details are preserved for potential rebuilding or for posterity. Peace of mind. Knowing your home is fully documented gives you one less thing to worry about in the face of a disaster. It's a proactive step that offers both emotional and practical reassurance. With a pre-loss scan, homeowners can preserve the full story of their home, its design, its belongings, and its memories. And in the unfortunate event of a fire, this record can simplify recovery and ensure nothing is overlooked. In a fire's aftermath, having the right tools can make all the difference. Matterport 3D tours empower emergency professionals, streamline insurance claims, and give homeowners clarity and control during recovery. But remember, this technology isn't just for post-disaster use. Scanning a property before a fire happens ensures you're prepared for anything, with accurate documentation and a preserved record of your home or business. If you're interested in learning more about how Matterport can help, reach out today. Together, we can make recovery faster, safer, and smarter. In the next few days, I'll be creating custom discounted products on my website to enable people to order pre-loss and post-loss scans of their homes and properties. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.